Welcome. Let us take a look at the problem on the board. It's a joint variation problem. And what is a joint variation? A joint variation is a variation that exists between two or more quantities or variables. And it is a combination of inverse and direct variation, or both. Okay? So let's take a look at the problem on the board. If x varies directly as y and inversely as the square root of n, and if x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 6, and m is equal to 16, find x in terms of y and m. Now, x varies directly as y, okay? So I can say, in my solution, I can say x varies as what? Directly as what? Y, okay? And inversely as square root of what? M. Also, therefore, x also varies inversely, which is 1 over the reciprocal of what? The square root of what? M. Now, joining these two variations, I can have something like this. X now will be equal to what? Y all over the square root of what? M, which is equal to ky all over the square root of what? M. Okay? Ky all over the square root of m, where k is the constant of proportionality. Okay, k is the constant. So we need to now substitute the values, okay, so that we can able to get the value of k. Okay, how can we obtain the value of k? So x now will be equal to what? Ky all over what? The square root of what? M. Now, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? X is what? 4. So I can say 4 now will be equal to what? K times y. What is the value of y? Y is what? 6. All over the square root of what? M, which is m is what? 16. Okay, which will be equal to what? This now will be equal to 4 is equal to 6k all over what? 4. Because the square root of 16 is 4. So I can say 6k is equal to what? 4 times what? 4. 6k is equal to what? 16. Divide both sides by 6. Divide by 6. This can cancel this. This now will be equal to what? 2 comes here will be what? 8 all over what? 3. So my k will be what? 8 all over 3. Now I have gotten the value of k as 8 over 3. Now they said find x in terms of what? Y and m. Find x in terms of y and m. Now, having known the value of k, I can say my x now is equal to ky all over